Are you looking for a free and easy-to-use video editor that won't slow down your computer? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install OpenShot Video Editor on your Windows PC. OpenShot is a free, open-source video editor known for its clean interface. It provides drag-and-drop editing, unlimited layers, transitions, and even 3D animation effects. So, let's see how we can download OpenShot on our computer. First, open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type OpenShot Download and hit Enter. Click on the first search result that should be the official website, openshot.org. Once you're on the download page, you'll see options depending on your operating system. Currently, the version available is 3.3.0. There's a 32-bit installer, but for me, I'll click on the Windows option, which is the 64-bit version. Click on the Download button. Choose where you want to save the installer file. The download is now in progress, so just wait until it's complete. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. To install, double-click or right-click and open the installer file. Select the language you want for the installation process and click OK. Read through the license agreement, accept it, and click Next. You'll see the installation path. I'll keep it as default, then click Next. Choose additional tasks you'd like set up while installing OpenShot, then click Next. Now, click Install. The installation process begins. Be patient, it may take a few moments. When it's done, you'll see that the shortcut has been added to your desktop. To launch the application, just leave the checkbox selected and click Finish. As you can see, OpenShot Video Editor has started, and for the first time, you'll get a welcome message. Now we're on a blank workspace, ready to edit videos. To import a video file, click on File, then select Import Files and choose your media from your computer. Once the file is imported, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. You can now start editing your videos with OpenShot. You now know how to download and install OpenShot Video Editor on your Windows PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.